Do you ever feel like making even a small decision is hard?
Absolutely. I often get stuck choosing between the simplest things.
Like what? Give me an example of your recent struggle.
Well, this morning I spent 10 minutes just picking a coffee.
That sounds like decision fatigue is starting to hit you hard.
Is that a real thing or did you just make it up?
It's real. It happens when you have too many choices to make.
That makes sense. Our modern world is full of endless options.
I read that successful people wear the same clothes every day.
You mean like Steve Jobs and his famous black turtleneck?
Exactly. He did that to save his brain power for big decisions.
I don't think I could ever wear the same outfit every day.
Me neither, but maybe we can simplify other parts of life.
How about our dinner plans? We always struggle with that.
True, we usually spend an hour just scrolling through food apps.
What if we limit our choices to just 3 restaurants?
That's a great idea. It would save us so much time.
Sometimes I'm just afraid of making the wrong choice.
But is there really a wrong choice when it comes to food?
Maybe not, but for big life decisions, the pressure is real.
How do you usually handle the big stuff, like career moves?
I usually make a classic pros and cons list on paper.
Does that actually help you see things more clearly?
Most of the time, yes, because it gets the thoughts out.
I prefer to sleep on it before I give a final answer.
That's wise, because your brain processes things while you sleep.
I also try to listen to my gut feeling more often now.
Intuition is powerful, but it's hard to trust it sometimes.
It takes practice to distinguish between fear and intuition.
Do you think we overthink things because of social media?
Definitely. We are constantly comparing our choices to others.
We see everyone's highlight reel and feel like we're failing.
We should focus on what makes us happy, not the crowd.
That's the hardest part of the decision-making process, isn't it?
It is, but once you decide, you have to move forward.
No looking back and wondering what if all the time?
Regret is just a waste of time and emotional energy.
I'll try to remember that next time I'm feeling stuck.
Let's start practicing with something very small right now.
Okay, I'm ready. What is the challenge, Johnny?
Movie night. You have exactly 30 seconds to pick one.
Oh no, the pressure is on. Let me think quickly.
10 seconds gone. Don't overthink it, Kelly.
Okay, let's watch that new sci-fi documentary.
See? That was fast. Was it really that painful?
Not at all. It actually felt quite liberating to just choose.
Decision made. I'll go and get the popcorn ready.
And I'll make sure the living room is nice and cozy.
This is the start of our new, simpler lifestyle.
I agree. Let's stop doubting and start living more.
Perfect. I'm glad we had this talk today, Kelly.